Hello students, today we explain the last portion of chapter 3, that is factorization of a polynomial in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz using the formula x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Second formula, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then the right side will be 0. Then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to minus 3xy change into plus 3xyz. So when x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube is 3xyz. Question number 3. Find the product of the given expression this. Now we express the given expression, given algebraic, given polynomial in the form of x cube plus y, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this can be written as x plus minus 2y plus 3. So x, y, z into x square plus 4y square can be written as minus 2y whole square plus z square means 3 square. 3 square is equal to 9. So 9 can be written as 3 square minus xy x into y. So minus minus plus 2xy minus yz. So minus minus plus 3 to 6 plus 6y minus zx 3 into x. So from formula 1 we have x cube plus y cube, that means minus 2y whole cube plus z cube 3 cube minus 3 into x into y into z. So x cube minus 8y cube plus 3 cube is equal to 27 minus minus plus 3 to 6 6 3 18xy. Then factorize 1 plus b cube plus 8c cube minus 6bc. So we express the given polynomial in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Then we can factorize the given polynomial using formula 1. So 1 can be written as 1 cube plus b cube plus 8c cube can be written as 2c whole cube minus 3 into a means 1 into 3 into x means 1, y means b into z 2c. So 3 to 6 bc, which is in the form of this. So x plus y plus z means 1 plus b plus 2c into x square 1 square plus y square plus z square minus xy 1 into b minus yz b into 2c minus zx 2c into 1. 1 plus b plus 2c into 1 square equal to 1, b square equal to b square, 2c whole square is equal to 4c square minus b minus 2bc minus 2c. Factorize 8a cube plus 125b cube plus minus 64c cube plus 120 abc. So we write the given polynomial in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube, 125b cube written as 5b whole cube plus 64c cube can be written as minus 4c whole cube minus 3 into a 3 into x 2a into y 5b into z minus 4c. So minus minus plus 3 to 6 6 5 30 34 120 a b c. So x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So 2a plus 5b plus minus 4c, 2a whole square is 4a square plus 25b square plus 16c square minus 10ab minus plus 20bc minus plus 8ac. Question number 13. Factorize 2 root 2a cube plus 16 root 2b cube plus c cube minus 12abc. We write the given polynomial in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So 2 root 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So root 2 whole cube. So root 2 root 2a cube can be written as root 2a whole cube plus 16 root 2 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So 2 root 2 whole cube. So 16 root 2 can be written as 2 root 2 b whole cube. X cube, y cube and z cube are created. Next minus 3 into x root 2a into y 2 root 2b into z c. So root 2 into root 2 2 2 to 4 4 3 12 a b c. So x plus y x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to root 2a plus 2 root 2b plus c into root 2 square equal to 2a square, 2 to 4 4 to 8 8b square plus c square minus root 2 into root 2 2 2 into 2 4 ab minus 2 root 2 BC minus root 2 CA या AC. Question number 18. Factorize a minus 3b whole cube plus 3b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube. Let x equal to a minus 3b whole cube, a minus 3b, y equal to 3b minus c, and z is equal to c minus a. Then x plus y plus z is equal to a minus 3b plus 3b minus c plus c minus a. Plus a minus a cancel, minus 3b cancel. So the value of x plus y plus z is equal to 0. From the second formula, we know that if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So we write 3xyz. Next we put the value of x, y and z respectively. So value of x is a minus 3b, value of y is equal to 3b minus c, and value of z is equal to c minus a. So this is the answer. Similarly, we can solve question number 17, 19, 20 and 21 also. Question number 21. Factorize the given polynomial. The given polynomial can be written as a into b minus c whole cube plus b into c minus a whole cube plus c into a minus b whole cube, because x cube y cube is equal to xy whole cube. Now let x equal to a into b minus c, y equal to b into c minus a, and z is equal to c into a minus b. Next we put x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Now ab minus ac, bc minus ab equal to ac minus bc. Now x plus y plus z is equal to ab minus ac plus bc minus ab plus ac minus bc. Plus ab minus ab cancel, minus ac plus bc minus. So the value of x plus y plus z is equal to 0. We know from formula second, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Next we put the value of x, that is a into b minus c, y b into c minus a, and z equal to c into a minus b. This can be rewritten as 3 into abc into b minus c, c minus a minus b. Question number 22. First, evaluate minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Without, let x equal to minus 12, y equal to 7, z equal to 5. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube, and x plus y plus z is equal to minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 0. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Then we put the value of xyz, minus 12, 7, 5 is equal to minus 1260. Question number 23. Prove that a plus b plus c whole cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube is equal to 3 into a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. Now a plus b plus c. ए भजा একটু চুপ করে যা 10 মিনিট। Now a plus b plus c whole cube is equal to, let a plus b is equal to x. So in place of a plus b we write x plus c whole cube. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal. Next we put the value of x, that is a plus b whole cube plus c cube plus 3 into a plus b into c into a plus b plus c. So a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus c cube plus 3 into a plus b into c into a plus b plus c. Because we know that the formula of a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now we rearrange the above expression. A cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 will be common and a plus b also common. Then ab plus c into a plus b plus c is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 into a plus b, ab plus ac plus bc plus c square. A cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3a plus b. A will be common, b plus c, and c will be common, b plus c. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 into a plus b. B plus c will be common, so a plus c. So a plus b plus c whole cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube is equal to 3 into a plus b into b plus c into c plus a, yeah, a plus c. Question number 24. If a plus a b c are all non-zero and a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then prove that this. So we know that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Now we divide both sides by abc. Then we get a cube upon abc plus b cube upon abc plus c cube upon abc is equal to abc cancel 3. A cube a cancel, so a square by bc plus b square by b cancel, ac plus 1 c is cancel, so c square by ab is equal to 3. Hence the result. Question number 25. If a plus b plus c equal to 9 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 35, then we have to find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, from formula 1, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square, a plus b plus c into a square plus बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर minus AB minus BC minus CA. If the value of A plus B plus C is given, the value of A square plus B square plus C square also given. Now we do not know the value of minus AB minus BC and minus C AC. So this can be written as A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square. Minus will be common. So AB plus BC plus CA. Now we find the value of AB plus BC plus CA. We know from the formula A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 will be common. AB plus BC plus CA. So the value of A plus B plus C is 9. So 9 square is equal to 35 plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. So AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 81 minus 35. So AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 46 upon 2, 23. So 9 into 35 minus 23. 9 into 12.